Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Diamond K18. Today, in my last video, I said that for my next video, I'll play some Bloxburg to show you guys my new house. So that's what I'm doing, and my house in Bloxburg, it looks hilarious. Like, it's so funny. And I'll show you guys what I mean. So, let's just join in the game. Okay, so just loading, like always. Sorry. I'm very weird, especially when it comes to my videos. Is there any other people living here? Then I'll be like, I mean, I could live here. Sure. Ooh, but I could live right here. Yeah, I'm totally living here, guys. Because I'm so close to the town, and then I can go shopping. So, I'm gonna help me do this. It's a really pretty house. I have a cute little fountain. And when you open the door, you'll see my beautiful kitchen that she worked on for me. Here's the fridge. Yeah, I'm tired and I don't have a bedroom. I'm thinking of making the other half of my bathroom my bedroom. Bathroom. It's really fun to do this, guys. Should I have a unicorn picture or a cat picture? No, I paint it. Yes, let's paint. Let's paint. I'm just painting my beautiful picture. Okay. Yeah, I just have a random. My makeup looks good and it's getting all touched up. Straighten out my hair. Looks beautiful. Because I just had a shower. I need to go to work. I'm gonna ask people for some money. Cute puppy queen. Hey, can you come over and give me some money? I'm tired. Hey guys, I'm just gonna quickly go find another game to play. Hey guys, I just joined this random game. And I also changed my avatar, but guys, I don't understand this. This is funny. The neighbor's house. Oh yeah, I remember this house. I would always get killed. Okay guys, I know that this was a short video, but I hope you all enjoyed. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below what I should play.